Hello, everyone. Today we are going to talk about the registration of rooms in the listings registered in your STAYS system. During the process of creating your listings, the registration of rooms or set of photos is an essential step, because this is what will ensure the organization of images and also the total capacity of your listing. To do this, go to the Listings menu. If your listing is not registered yet, just click on Plus Listing and start creating from scratch. If you already have your listing registered, just find it in your list and access the listings page by clicking on Details. After accessing the listings page, just go to the Content option and click on Rooms. Here you will have the option to create rooms or sets of photos according to your preference. You see that here we already have 2 rooms created, a quadruple room and a bathroom. Now let's create more rooms in this listing. To do this, simply click on the button here on the right side and a list will appear with the main rooms that can be created. Now let's create a double room. Here you will be able to select the type of bed. After selecting the type of bed, you should indicate the quantity and finally save. Note that when saving the settings, the system will automatically change the total capacity of the listing. This means that the number of beds will always indicate the capacity of your listings. This information is also important for those who work with the extra bed option. If this is the case, you need to access the room and insert the extra bed, indicating this possibility. So, for example, in this double room I will add an extra bed. Here I will select the option, I will add a single sofa bed, and indicate the amount available and save. When you do this, you will see that the system will count the bed you added and change the total capacity of the room. Another option that will help you in this process is the possibility to create multiple rooms with just one action. So, just click on the plus room or photo set button, select the room you want, indicate the bed type, and indicate the number of rooms to be replicated. So, for example, this single room, if I have 2 similar or identical units, I can indicate the number here. This way, you see that the system will replicate that room by automatically creating the 2 units. After creating the room, you see that you will also have the option to insert the pictures. You will have this specific field to upload the pictures for the room. In this first room, for example, we already have several pictures inserted. Here in this area, you can also add captions to the photos, according to your preference. Another available action is that you can change the order of the photos. See the dashed line beside the photo, just place the cursor over the line, click and drag the image up or down. And in this way, you can rearrange the order of the photos as you like. If necessary, you can even put the photo in another room, something often used during the process of reviewing the registration of imported Airbnb listings. Besides changing the order of the photos, you also have the possibility to change the order of the rooms themselves. Following the same logic as for the photos, place the cursor over the dashed line, click and drag it up or down. The order of the rooms and the way the images are organized will be how the guest will see them on your site, so be sure to use photos, captions and organize the rooms in a way that is attractive to your guest. If you still have any doubts about this subject, please access our Academy portal by clicking on this icon at the bottom of your system. You will be directed to our knowledge base. Here you will have access to all the articles about the system tools. See you next time.